started creating my first channel. So hopefully I could cover everything. So first thing, you need to a new Google account. Open Chrome, then type in the search bar google.com. Push the sign right here. And if you have a already signed in account, so don't worry, you need to wait and watch. Click on the sign option right here. Then click on the create account. Type your first and last name, then click on the next. Then type your birth date, month, day and year. Select your gender, male or female. Then next. Now you have a true mail address. And if you wanted to change this email, so you need to click create your own Gmail address. Type your own Gmail address, then click on the next. Then create a strong password. And don't forget to screenshot your password. It is most important. Click on the next and add your recovery email. Right, you are all using Gmail address and it is very important for your security and privacy. Then click on the next and you need to add your phone number. I have a already proper account, so I will choose escape, but you need to register your email and your phone number. Then click on the next, click on agree, and now your Gmail account is ready. But don't forget this, click on the recommendation action option. You need to must verify two things, your phone number and your recovery Gmail address. After type in the search bar youtube.com and click on the sign right here. I'll show you all settings inside of creating a channel. And now you need to unique name for your YouTube channel. So this could be your personal name and your business name. I have already my personal channel and now I'm just telling you. So I'll choose any name for example and I'm going to go ahead and create my channel. So now there is a bunch of settings that I want to cover, but right now your channel is a create. Look at some important settings. Here, go to the left side and right now I want to go to the settings tab on the very bottom of the page, and this is tab verification your YouTube channel. If you go on the channel here, you could actually change the default unit, but right now I want to change over here third tab things that I'm eligible for, and by default is eligible as soon as you make a YouTube channel, and this one intermediate option that are going to require you to verify your channel. If I press this drop down, it's going to ask me to verify my phone number now. What this allows me to do is it allows 15 minutes live stream. So you need to verify your phone number, and all you have to do for that is you get a text verification or call. Type your number and get the card and get the channel verified. And more settings I'll show you on the same tab. Here is a basic info. You need to pick your country. So choose this from the list and type the keyword. That keywords basically, let's say someone searching from YouTube and you want to be associated, you could type that in here. So like drawing on YouTube, and you just press enter and then you could set from over here. And one more thing that I have to point out before you go to code customization. Back to the setting tab here, and if you go to the channel option, go to advanced setting. Under audience there are legal settings. You have to set them in that. Say do you make a video for kids, that this channel is made for kids, or do you not make video for kids? You have to choose one, or you could review this every time you upload a video. If you're going to change this up, I definitely don't make video for kids, and I'm going to press save here and click again on the setting, then click on the upload default and basic info. And now you need to write about of your channel category, and if you can write for your channel, so don't worry, ChatGPT is alive. Simply open the new tab and type ChatGPT, then enter, and then click on the ChatGPT. Click on the sign up, then click on the continue with your account, then click on the continue with your Google account. Type your first and last name and your birthday, then click on the continue, enter your phone number and get the code, and solve the puzzle verification. Now verification is complete, and enter the digit code from your phone. Click OK, let's go. Now tell the ChatGPT that you want your channel description. So my channel category is education. I'm gonna asking description about of the education channel. Simply type here, hello there. ChatGPT says how can I assist you? Tell that you want now. Wow, that's amazing. Now you need to copy all description and paste in your channel description section. And now you need to remove it and write your channel name. Then click on the visibility, select the unlisted option, and now add some hashtags related to your channel. You can add a 500 hashtag, but I'll choose 4 hashtag for example, and click on the advanced setting. Select your content video language. I'm select the Urdu for example, then click on the caption clarification. Select the first, this channel has never arrived on television, and select your channel category. What category does your videos belong to? So my channel category about of education, so I will choose education. Then click on the title and description language. So title and description, everyone chose English United Kingdom. So simply click on the English United Kingdom and allow the comments and lesson this already selected on standard YouTube lesson. And then click on the save. Again click on the setting. Then click on the community and scroll down. And now you need to see this block word. Block words option is a very important for abusive word. If you want no one to say you abusive word, right here some abusive word. One by one then enter. I want to block some word for example. Then click on the save. And the left side there is an option called customization. Click on the customization and you have a 3 different tabs. So you need to scroll down and remove all sections one by one. Then again remove. Then click on the add section. Then click on the popular videos. Click again. Select the videos option. And the last click again. Select the shorts video option. And click on the publish. Now let's go to the branding option. You have your channel profile and you can upload any profile image from your PC or laptop, and then you have to upload the banner in your YouTube site only. So how to create your YouTube banner? Okay, for this you need to create a banner on Canva. So first of all, simply you need to type in the search bar free YouTube banner maker from Canva. Then click on the first link and then click on the start designing your YouTube channel art. Then continue with Google. Then continue and you can choose your favorite. And you can everything edit from here. And after of edit, click on the share button, click on the download, then click on the file type and select JPG. Then click on the download again, then go to your YouTube branding option, then click on the upload and choose your banner, then adjust and upload your banner. Then click on the OK. Then click on the third option, basic info, and then you can change your channel name from here. So you can only do this twice every 14 days. And then description write again from ChatGPT. Then scroll down and type and drop your website and social media link. For example, your website and social media links, Facebook and Instagram, contact info, and write your personal email here. After then click on the publish. Now your channel is ready, and click on the analytics. Then you can check here about of your channel, monetization, views, watch time and subscribers, channel comments and mention, subtitle, copyright. You will be notified here if someone use your content. And your channel monetization requirement 1000 subscriber and 4000 watch time, 10 million views. Now you can see your channel. Click on the top right in your channel profile. Then click on your channel and click on the customize channel. And there is a watermark basically. When you watch YouTube videos, in the corner like a subscribe icon could pop up into the video, and you could decide if you want to upload that I have it on my channel in this video. You could subscribe to the channel. The channel just from here makes it a rally to get subscribers. If you add watermark, and you can edit your mistake from here, then click on the publish, and now your channel is properly up to date. Then click on the right here corner create option, then click on the upload videos. Then you can drag and drop your videos. But first let me show you one thing. You need to use only your content, and all content must be your own. Understand? Then click on the select file, then choose your videos, then right click and click on the select the video, and after then set your video's title and description. And your description is already set, so please don't change your description. And if you want to create a playlist for your videos, so click on the create a playlist, add your playlist title and add your playlist description. Then click on the save and then done. And the rest of the setting is set. Write some hashtags, and you can write 500 hashtags, but I'll choose 9 for example. Then scroll down and select your video location. You can add any location, and now my video category is entertainment, so I'll choose entertainment. Then next, then click on the next, and this is the third option, and third option is a very important. You can see here copyright issue. Oh my god, my sound is copyrighted, and this is my own video but sound is not mine. So please don't forget it. The content should be your own, and this is not affected on my channel because this is a short video, and I'm gonna upload this video. Return to upload, next, then next, and visibility. You need to visibility set on the public, then save, and then click on the publish. Now your video is uploaded, and if you want to edit your video title and description, so simply click on the video title or pencil option. Then you can easily edit your mistakes. Click again content and simply click on the YouTube logo icon, and then finally you can see your video. Now you need to upload every day your content, then your channel will be grow. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more videos.